In this video, we review one of the best product available in the market today. We will show you the specifications and key features of the product. First, let's see the specs of the product.
Introducing the 13-amp 1700 psi electric pressure washer from Greenworks Tools. With a powerful universal motor, clean any stain with a water flow of 1.2 gallons per minute at 1,700 pounds per square inch of pressure. Easily switch between the 25-degree and 40-degree nozzles with the quick connect functionality. The unit can be operated in either the vertical or horizontal positions. The 35-foot electric cable and 20-foot hose enable you to move freely while cleaning. Fill the detergent tank with soap formulated for pressure washers to wash away tough stains and dirt. Built with onboard storage features like the rotating hose reel and pressure gun holster, easily pack up the pressure washer after use. At less than 18 pounds, transporting and moving the unit is easy. With a 1-year warranty, the 13-amp 1700 psi electric pressure washer from Greenworks Tools promises to deliver where and when it counts. Greenworks Tools. Life gets easier.
Why we like this product. And these are rating for this product.